clear that I'm not wearing any face makeup today. I just basically wanted my skin to breathe. I am wearing moisturizer with sunscreen and additional SPF on top just for a nice little glow. I basically just threw on some lips, filled in my brows, and some brown mascara. Yeah, so this is what we are rolling with today. I kind of just wanted to do something simple today while I'm sharing my monthly favorites. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. If you guys are new to my channel, at the end of each month, I post monthly favorites, my go-tos, old but goodie, reoccurring favorites, and some new favorites. Also, I have a series on my channel which are my top 5 favorites. Those videos I like to share my top 5 favorites of all times, whether it could be sunscreen, lipstick, primers, foundations, concealers, I mean any of my top 5 favorites. My most recent top 5 favorites would be lip balms. If you guys missed that, I'll go ahead and put that in the info box for you guys, or I can put the video link somewhere up here. If you guys didn't know that there are 29 days in this month of February for this year, also known as leap year. So every 4 years is leap year, so there's 29 days versus 28. So why is this tying into this video? That means I had an extra day to gather all my favorites for this video. Let's go ahead and get started on my first favorite. Let's go ahead and talk about my lashes, but don't get too close. It's a little clumpy today only because I'm trying to master my favorite lash primer. So here's a little hint. I'm actually working on another top 5 favorites video for my series, and it's gonna be on lash primers. I have to say I do love Dior's mascara. Dior Show was my ultimate favorite. I think this is actually my second favorite, which is the Overcurl. As you can see, the wand has a slight little bend. It's actually easy to go with the curve of your eye shape and really just bend the wand back and forth so you can get the most volume out of the mascara. With this fiber wand, it actually works in my favor because it adds on the product but it removes at the same time where it doesn't clump. So a few years ago, this was repackaged where it actually has that lock in that second seal so it doesn't dry out the package, which is such a good thing. Makeup Forever came out with a new foundation which is called the Reboot. Amazing, guys. This is such a beautiful formulation. Wore this in my last makeup video and hands down, amazing. In my opinion, I think this formulation is a mixture of the water blend and the HD because it has that thinness, watery texture, but it does have a slight coverage, but not too much. It just plateaus on that level there where you can't build too much, but you can shear it down. This formulation actually has a lot of skincare benefits, so it's gonna help with evening out the texture, the luminosity, the skin finish, the lightness. It has hydrating properties. This also does not contain any sunscreen. If you guys didn't notice that Makeup Forever doesn't have any sunscreen in their formulation, which is a good thing because it's good for picture taking, events, if you're in front of TV and film and lights, and also it won't expire your products. My shade is Y355. This is such an amazing formulation. You guys have to check this out. This may be old to you, but this is definitely new to me. I actually recently used this in a makeup video. Jeffree Star collaborated with Morphe, and I thought this palette was superb. 1, the color payoff is amazing. 2, the texture of this is really smooth. Most of the time when the products are really powdery and soft, yes, it's easy to blend. Sometimes I notice when I dip my brush in there, it's picking up the pigment, but there's a lot of powdery fall-offs which I dislike. 1, it's gonna get all over the place. 2, you lose the pigment and you just end up packing on more product. This here actually is really, really soft. There are a few colors here that are more of a frost that has a little bit of glitter that sometimes it does come off a little bit. So I do recommend either using your fingers to pack it on or maybe spraying your brush to dampen it. Other than that, the color range is actually really pretty. I did a smoky hot pink look. The other day I did a brown kind of terracotta orangey look. The next makeup look I'm going to do is probably work around the greens and these pretty shimmery colors, so stay tuned for that. Overall, I think this is a great palette. It's nice and easy to travel with. The mirror is large and it's a good price point. And no, this is not sponsored. I'm just a makeup junkie. You guys know I love me some browns and orangey colors. No surprise to you guys, I love these lipsticks. They are a soft, fluffy matte. This is a new shade I got because my husband recently went to the Philippines and I asked him to buy some more. This color here is Girl Crush. My ultimate favorite color would be Vacay. We're actually going to be going in a few months, so I will be picking up more colors. Remember back then I said I was going to work on a video from the haul, from the things he bought for me? Unfortunately, he wasn't able to get all the things I wanted, so I wasn't able to work on a haul. Plus, he got me some brow things from Sunnies Face that I wasn't able to do because I got my brows did, so yeah, it didn't work out. But don't you worry, we have an upcoming trip and I will be working on that haul once I get all my goodies. Oh, do I have spots? Sorry. Okay, when I wear these glasses, I feel like RBF. Is that RBF? Rolling face? Yeah, RBF. I mean, I look so like mean, like maybe because it's so dark. This actually has like a 2 or 3 tone, so it goes from darkest light and then the lightest on the bottom. You guys know me and my cat eye. I just love the shape. These are my new Sunnies from Quay. These glasses are hella dirty. I like these because it has no rim. It's just like one piece. I normally like to buy the thin metal ones with the mirror, but this really caught my eye and I think it really does suit my face. Since I'm actually enjoying that it's going to be spring and summer, I actually got these little cute sunglasses goggles for Tofu. So I thought since we have glasses to protect ourselves, might as well get one for the doggy. So my husband and I both have an electric bike and we recently bought this little dog Schwinn carrier thing with wheels. We can attach it to our bike. And there's like little windows that you can stick your head out. So I feel like he needs this to protect his eyes from the sun, the dirt, and the pollen. This actually goes around his head and this part goes around his chin so it stays nice and secure. This is a very inexpensive purchase, but I think this will help his eyes. Guys, let's just talk about mirrors and lighting. Yes, I have a lot of mirrors. I have a lot of mirrors with lights. I got this right here, which is the Impressions Vanity Mirror with a light. I have an IKEA mirror that you can put at your nightstand or at a counter or even a vanity. This is dusty. And this is... And I have 2 of these. I have a simple human mirror. And now I have a new addition. This table stand mirror is actually pretty cool. It's basically a mini ring light, but for your table. You're able to attach your cell phone here if you want to take some selfies. It also has a switch for power. You can actually dim the light. You can brighten the light. You could also change the light to cool, warm, or white light. It's really cool. I love this thing. The best part of this light is that it actually has a USB plug at the end, so you can plug it to your computer if you're doing a video or if you're doing a vlogging and you're by a laptop, or you know, it's just easy to use. But you can also plug it to any cube that has a USB port that has a prong that you can plug into the wall. So it's a great light if you needed to do some outdoor lightings or videos or just like a quick meeting and you need a little light or taking pictures. It's actually very portable, very easy, but it's something I like to keep at home to use if I need to take some quick, cute selfies. My mom supports my makeup collection addictions. It has a bottom base where you can place this on a table and you can spin this around. The small one right here I thought was perfect for me to place on my vanity where I can put my favorite go-to makeup. The larger one is a bit wide for me to place on my vanity, but I think this will be a pretty decoration for the house. You can even put like a, look at my double chin. With this larger plate, I think this is a pretty house decor. You can actually put like a birthday cake. I think I got myself an idea. I'm gonna put my husband's birthday cake here and mine for this year and maybe just have it there for display, and I think it's so pretty. But this is such a beautiful vanity. This was posted on my IG and my stories and people seem to really love this. I hope those are easy to find. Comment down below if you guys seen these before or if you guys found them. But basically my mom went to either Homegoods or TJ MAxx and what my aunt was like, oh my god, I think Alicia would like this. And my mom was like, okay, which one do you think she'll like? And she ended up buying both. Thank you. And that is it for my monthly favorites, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys. I do have a lot of videos coming up. Like I said, I have another top 5 favorites coming out, another makeup look with some greens. I also have a summer video with all my current and favorite sunscreens that I will share with you guys, and they're all from one brand. Would you look at that? That video is just going to be a whole bunch of products from one brand that I actually like, and I think it'll be great because you can enjoy the sun but at the same time protect your skin. So guys, I hope this video wasn't too torturous for you to see me without any makeup and just lipstick and mascara, because I don't know. That was just the feel for today. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!